I suddenly have this feeling that I've told you this before. It happens without warning, the strange feeling that you've been there, done that, even though you know you never have. The French have a word for it, déjà vu, meaning already seen. Now, while some claim déjà vu is evidence of the paranormal, such as past lives or alien abductions, others say we partially absorb scenes from television and movies to feed a sense of familiarity. It could be that our visual cortex is so fast at sending signals to our memory center, the hippocampus, that some believe the feeling of having seen it before is true. And it is true, but we saw it just a split second earlier. About 2/3 of us experience déjà vu, and oddly enough, it seems to happen most often between the ages of 15 and 25. So could it be linked to ongoing development of the brain? Scientists aren't really sure. Because déjà vu occurs randomly among healthy people, it's been hard to study. Now, we do know déjà vu occurs in the medial temporal lobe. That's this area of the brain over here. That's where the rhinal cortex, the part of the brain that helps us recognize familiar things, interacts with the hippocampus. That's the part of the brain that stores details of specific memories. Perhaps signals there get crossed. Could be that brain circuits convulse in an almost sort of seizure. And actually, you know what? That makes sense, because people with epilepsy do experience déjà vu at the onset of a seizure. So it's now in epilepsy where most of today's research is underway. In fact, neurologists have been able to trigger déjà vu in people with epilepsy by stimulating, you guessed it, their medial temporal lobes. They've identified another type of déjà vu as well in temporal lobe epilepsy. They call it déjà vécu. That's French for already lived through. The researchers say déjà vécu is accompanied by feelings of mental time travel. It's kind of like Bill Murray in Groundhog Day, except you don't always get the girl in the end.